The dismembered body of a 26-year-old woman was found in a refrigerator in her rented apartment in Bengaluru. The police have now gotten a breakthrough in the case. The suspect has been identified but yet to be nabbed. The victim, and the details we're going to give you are sensitive in nature, so we do advise viewer discretion. The victim, Mahalakshmi's body, was chopped into over 30 pieces. Was recovered 2 to 3 days after her brutal murder, and her body was stuffed into a refrigerator, a one-door refrigerator in the 1 BHK that she was living in. She lived alone. Now, as the probe intensifies, Mahalakshmi's husband, who was earlier absconding, has now spoken out, expressing suspicion on a man named Ashraf. According to her husband, she was in an extramarital affair with Ashraf, who was barred from entering Bengaluru following a complaint by him. Now, this is what the husband claims. But the spine-chilling nature of the crime has drawn comparisons to what we saw, in fact, in 2022. The murder of Shraddha Walkar by her live-in partner in Delhi. And this is another gruesome reminder of that, with the victim's body being found in the refrigerator.
That's the apartment that you're looking at where Mahalakshmi used to reside. She used to live in first floor of that apartment. We are being told that she used to work in a mall as a sales lead. In fact, she had very recently gotten promoted as a team lead. Just last week, when Mahalakshmi was just going about her day, she has been brutally murdered, chopped into 50 pieces, and her entire body was stuffed inside refrigerator. So it was the house owner that alerted Mahalakshmi's family. She used to live alone and her family was living separately. The house owner has called Mahalakshmi's estranged husband, alerting him that a foul smell was emanating from her residence, upon which the entire family came down here only to watch Mahalakshmi being chopped down into multiple pieces, fully stuffed inside a refrigerator. Postmortem is also being done. However, there is one such person called Ashraf who is suspected to have been having extramarital relationship with Mahalakshmi. Ashraf is currently on the run. He's missing. He's a barber. He owns a barber shop. We're being told that he is absconding and he is the prime suspect in this case. It's alleged that Mahalakshmi used to have an extramarital relationship with Ashraf after being separated from her husband, who resides in Nelamangala, which is about 30 kilometers from her residence here in Bayali Kaval. He's at the moment absconding and police are probing. Investigation is underway to really find out who is the murderer, what was the reason why Mahalakshmi was murdered in such a gory way that's completely unimaginable. With camera person Madhuwar, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Bangalore.
The case from all angles and more or less the culprit who is or the prime suspect who is likely to have committed this ghastly offence is identified. The only thing is we are yet to apprehend him, in the sense we have not yet caught him. So as and when the person is caught and further his interrogation is done, then we will be able to provide further details regarding the case. He is an outsider.
ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಟೀಮ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, TL ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೀಗ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ನಾನು ಹಳೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇದ್ರು ಶಶಿಧರ್.
ಅನುಮಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಅಶ್ರಫ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಶ್ರಫ್. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನೆಲಮಂಗಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಏನಿಂತ, ಆವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮೆರಿಟಲ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್.
ವೈಫ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಡೌಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಪ್.
ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿದು ಮನೆ ಓನರ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಆ ತರ ಫೀಸ್ ತುಂಬ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
Police have already collected a lot of information, lot of clues, and one individual has also been they say he's the one, but unless we collect more information. We can't really say. He's from West Bengal, they say. We'll say as early as possible we'll secure.
Let's bring in Anaga Keshav on this broadcast. She's joining us live from Bengaluru with the latest. Anaga, the pictures that have emerged of the state in which the victim's body was found is horrifying to say the least. Unfortunately, we also couldn't put it out on our screens because of how sensitive and gruesome the nature of this crime is. But take us through, Anaga, who committed this crime according to the police? Has he been found? Has he been nabbed?
Well, Akshita, so far the murder accused is still on the run. In fact, Home Minister also clarified that he hails from West Bengal. In fact, Mahalakshmi's estranged husband, they were separated 9 months ago. He was staying in Nelamangala and she was staying in Vayalikaval. The husband says that Mahalakshmi was having an extramarital relationship with one Mr. Ashraf. He runs a barber shop. He's a barber himself. According to the deceased husband, Ashraf could be one of the prime suspects. He's right now absconding. Last known, he was found in West Bengal. Police are trying and probing to nab him. In just about a day or two, according to Home Minister Parameshwar, Ashraf, the prime accused, will be nabbed, is what they are saying. However, they are yet to collate more data and more evidence to really ascertain if it was really Ashraf who chopped her body into multiple pieces and stuffed inside the refrigerator. Truly horrifying details that are coming out of this case. The very nature of the crime scene committed will send shivers down anybody's spine, Akshita. That's the level of goriness that we are talking about. In fact, a post-mortem was also conducted on the cut body parts yesterday in Bengaluru's Boring Hospital. Post-mortem report is also awaited. Post that, we'll really find out what was the way in which Mahalakshmi was murdered. Apart from Ashraf, there are other two suspects as well, but the prime suspect is Ashraf and he is right now in West Bengal, is what the cops are saying.
The accused currently in West Bengal, they're looking for him. The hunt continues for the monster who killed the victim Mahalakshmi in this gruesome manner. Anaga, stay with me. I want to now toss across to my colleague Sagai, who's filing a ground report on this crime.
मारा गया। बेंगलुरु में वयालिकावल इलाके में एक लड़की को भयानक से मारा गया था और इस मर्डर शनिवार को पता चला था। पुलिस सूत्रों के अनुसार ये मर्डर बहुत दिन पहले ही हो चुका था, मगर इस लड़की को मर्डर करने के बाद इसी रेफ्रिजरेटर में उसको पीस पीस करके अंदर रखा गया था। अभी आप देख सकते हैं उसी रेफ्रिजरेटर को अभी पुलिस यहां से लेके जा रही है और इसी रेफ्रिजरेटर में 29 साल की लड़की महालक्ष्मी को काट कर पीस पीस बनाकर उसके अंदर रखा था। जैसे दिल्ली में श्रद्धा वॉकर के साथ हुआ था, वैसे ही मामला यहां पे बेंगलुरु में सामने आया है। पुलिस इस केस के इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है और पुलिस के सूत्रों के अनुसार उन लोगों ने अपराधी को ऑलरेडी आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया है और उसको ढूंढकर ये लोग ओडिशा और वेस्ट बंगाल पहुंच गए हैं। पुलिस सूत्रों के अनुसार ये लड़की शादी होकर उसके हस्बैंड से दूर यहाँ पे वयालिकाल पे रहती थी और उनका फैमिली नेलमंगला बेंगलुरु के आउटस्कर्ट्स में रहते थे। अभी पुलिस इसी पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन को अभी कंटिन्यू कर रही है। कैमरामैन शिव के साथ सगाई राज, आज तक बेंगलुरु।